What's up, everybody? Mike here at Find Your Cards. How you doing this evening? I'm looking at my window and I see some snow, and of course baseball season started, and I'm going, what's with this? Alright, well tonight we got 13-14 Dominion, kind of keep us in this winter theme here. Before we get started, I'm going to get eBay current time up there for everybody, because some of you aren't catching it live, so I want to let you know what time we're getting started here. It's 21:52:48 Eastern Standard Time. Alright, so a single box here with the Dominion. Let's get rolling. Everybody's good to go. Here we go. A little March Madness going on for some of you, and me, I'm getting ready to watch some more baseball. A little bit of everything going on. Although I might try to catch a little bit of the basketball game too. Here, I'm going to do it the easy way here. There we go. I always have fun trying to get in this box here. There we go. All emptied out. Single pack here. Good luck, everybody. If I can get into it. Here we go. And I can. Hoping for something big. I see redemption off the back. I see redemption right away. Hopefully that's a good sign. Alright, here we go. We got base for the Blackhawks. Patrick Kane base. Next up, we got, ooh, that's a real nice one. For the Devils, we got quad Zajac Henrik Matteau Larson. Nice, and that is numbered 3 of 10. 3 of 10. Sweet. Next up for the Panthers. Oh geez, nice. 115 out of 299. Nick Bjugstad. And look at that patch for the Panthers. How's that? We got some teeth, some fangs coming in tonight. Don't want to have those digging into you. Sweet. Sweet, sweet, sweet. Next up, we got Sabres. We got private signings. Mikhail Grigorenko of 199. If you guys haven't had enough Grigorenko, why not have another? We got the Buffalo Butt there in the Crown Royal silhouette there last week. Grigorenko. Now we got for the Islanders, Anders Lee base of 299. And finally, we got Peerless Patches autograph for the Pittsburgh Penguins. Peerless Patches autograph, Bo Bennett. Peerless Patches, Bo Bennett. Busted again there, Jeff. Sorry, man. Nice Bjugstad. Nice Devils quad. And then finally a Bo Bennett Peerless Patches. There we go. That wraps up that one. Have yourselves a good evening. Mike here at Find Your Cards. We'll see you soon.